Dear student, today we are going to see a very interesting lesson. Today's lesson is a garden snake. Very small poem, very nice poem, which because we are human being and we must feel with sympathy and love for each and everybody. Nature, whatever the nature is created, whatever the type of insects are there, they are one or in the other way useful to us. Okay, so here one nice poem is there about a garden snake, because you know that snake, word itself is to make us afraid. Listening the word snake, we are going to afraid. Why? Because we think that all the snakes are very dangerous and there is a probability if the snake bite, possibility is there of the death. So we afraid very much of this animal, and usually what we found that 80% of snakes which are there all around us are harmless, only 20% are there. No doubt there are many victims are there of the snake biting and they are cost to of death also, but if at all, but till the time it is possible, we must save this creature because they are useful to us in one or the another way. They are a part of a food chain of the nature. Okay, so here a nice poem is there, very short poem, and but something is what the moral of the poem is. From today onwards, if we are going to see, by God, if I am going to say, pray to God that we never going to come in across of the snake, but if it was possible, then if no need of killing it, if it is going on in its way, let it pass. We should not have to disturb it. It will also not going to attack on us. Okay. So here I am going to read about the introduction first, then very small poem is there. Have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? In this age, means you are now about 13 or 14 years, it is possible that once there is a chance that you may going to get this fighting with a mongoose is very rare, because we are living in city area and where it is not frequently seen. That is, we may see the fight of between mongoose and snake, but it is possible that we may see the snake pass through on the road, going on the road, or swimming in the river, because there are aquatic types of snakes is also there. Everyone, almost everyone, believes that snakes are dangerous, and some are, most are not. Almost everyone we are believing that snakes are dangerous, but some are. No doubt some snakes are dangerous, but most are not. Here now I am going to read the poem. I saw a snake and ran away. See what the poet expression is there. I saw a snake and ran away. Definitely. If I also there at the place, or you may be also there, whenever we going to see a snake, we try to run away from there, because we are afraid of that creature, because we believe that it is poisonous. If it going to bite us, definitely we will die. So I saw a snake and run away. This shows that poet is also like this, afraid from snake. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. They means all the people who is come in the contact of the poet says that some snakes are dangerous. We should not go near to it. If it becomes furious and bite us, they are venomous, we may die. But mother says that kind is good. This child may narrate that type of snakes, that what type of snakes he is seen. So, but mother says that kind is good. Whatever snake the child has seen, mother said that kind is good. जो तुमने देखा snake वो harmful नहीं है. It is harmless one. Good है, अच्छा है. But mother says that kind is good. and eats up insect for his food. What it does? Eats up the insect. What is the food of a snake is? Frog or small insect or rat. And in this way it helps us because rat are very dangerous. Mouse used to eat up the crops. They even used to eat up the root of the crops. In this way they destroyed the farm. They bring lots of destruction to the farm. And it is only the snake who can save us from the rat, because snake, the favorite dish of snake is what? Rat. So snake is there to control rat, and that is why it is said that it eats up insect for his food. वो अपने फूड के लिए इंसेक्ट खाता है, हमें कहाँ खाता है, हमारे लिए कोई डेंजरस नहीं है ना वो. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू ईट अप अस. वो तो हमें कब काटता है? जब उसको हमसे डेंजर लगता है. कोई भी एनिमल हमको नहीं खाता है, वो हमें काटने को कब दौड़ता है? और when it going to attack on us, when it seems that this man may going to trouble to me, may cause trouble to me, वो मुझे नुकसान पहुंचाएगा, इसका जब उसको भय लगता है, तब एनिमल में तो क्या है? अटैक इज द बेस्ट डिफेंस. पहले खुद अटैक करो. दैट इज वाई दे आर अटैकिंग ऑन अस. अदरवाइज what this snake eat and eats up insect for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, so when he wiggles in the grass, now wiggle is the particular word shows the movement of a snake. How the snake is move on the surface, that is called wiggle. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass. Now see, when the mother told the child that kind is good, वो स्नैक इतना खराब, वो स्नैक खराब नहीं है, हमारे लिए हार्मफुल नहीं है, तो चाइल्ड का एटीट्यूड है वो बिल्कुल बदल गया. पहले वो डरता था. आई स्नो ए स्नैक एंड रन अवे. पहले स्नैक को देखा तो डर गया, भाग गए. बट जब मदर ने उसको समझाया कि ऑल द स्नैक्स आर नॉट डेंजरस, सम आर गुड, वो तो खाली इंसेक्ट वगैरह खाते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या हुआ? सो वेन ही विगल्स इन द ग्रास, जब वो ग्रास में से विगल्स करते हुए जा रहा था, विगलिंग ऑन द ग्रास, आई शैल स्टैंड असाइड एंड वॉच हिम पास. मैं बाजू में खड़ा रह गया और उसको बाजू में पास था जाते हुए मैंने देखा. एंड टेल माई सेल्फ देयर इज नो मिस्टेक्स. एंड टेल माई सेल्फ, मैंने अपने आप से कहा, एंड टेल माई सेल्फ देयर इज नो मिस्टेक, इट जस्ट ए हार्मलेस गार्डन स्नेक. उसको जाने दिया तो उसमें कोई गलती नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ए मिस्टेक एट ऑल. उसको मारना कोई जरूरी नहीं था, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट ए हार्मलेस गार्डन स्नेक. वो तो खाली गार्डन स्नेक था जो खाली इंसेक्ट, रेट, फ्रॉग वगैरह खाता है, उसको मारना जरूरी नहीं था. सो एंड आई टेल माई सेल्फ देयर इज नो मिस्टेक, इट इज जस्ट ए हार्मलेस garden snake. So here this poem garden snake is going to over, and question answer I am going to send you with the PDF. Very few question answers are there. I hope many of you are coming to the school, but some of which who are not coming, for any case they please note down all the answer in the book and try to learn this poem also. This very small poem and very nice poem. Here some rhyming words are also there. You can see here. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. Away, see. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insect for his food. Good food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I shall stand aside and watch him pass. Grass, pass. So rhyming words are there. So you can easily even sing also somewhat and easily can learn. Okay. So dear students, here I am going to stop with this lesson. Next time we are going to meet with the unit number 10. Till the time.